Hey guys, in this video, I got a drone for Christmas, so I'm out at the property and I can finally get some aerial shots of the racetrack. But as you can see, it's getting kind of dark. We already got all of our filming done with the drone. It was awesome. We only crashed once, right? We hit one tree, but yeah, I'm gonna roll all those clips. I'm just gonna play some music. Obviously, the drone does not have sound because all you would hear is the blades. But yeah, check out all these clips of the dope little go-kart track that we've made. But this is gonna eventually become like a universal track. We'll have some stuff for some dirt bikes on it and four-wheelers. But for right now, it's a pretty awesome go-kart track and I absolutely love it. And yeah, check out these sick clips. Here she is. As you can see, the sun is setting over there across the ridge. I'm gonna get a cool photo on my phone. But we still have all these piles of dirt. This was all the grass that we had scraped off the top and we put it in piles around the track. And so now that it's been a while, it's been a couple months, all that grass is decomposed and now this is pretty good dirt in those piles, and we're gonna use it to make some jumps in some areas, and we're gonna do some wall rides and stuff for some of the go-kart turns. But yeah, stay tuned for all that. We're probably gonna hold off on that until it gets a little warmer in the spring, but expect some cool GoPro footage with the go-karts if we get some more warm weather, because right now it's a little too chilly to be riding go-karts. Even though we did it yesterday, we just froze our butts off. But yeah, you can see the race line. It's like the lighter color right there. And you can see the race line right there heading in. But yeah, I also got a tractor, which is pretty slick. But I'll show that in a different video. It's gonna help keep this track up to date on maintenance and keeping it looking good. Especially in the spring when all the grass wants to grow. It's not gonna be able to with the tractor. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I just wanted to get it out after getting this drone because I've filmed some videos in the past of the go-kart track and us working on it and stuff, but none of the video clips do it justice like the drone does. So I hope you guys enjoyed those clips, and there'll be a lot more now that I have the drone. I'm super stoked. Thing's amazing. It's a DJI Maverick Pro, so pretty slick drone. They did a great job. So yeah, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye.